everybody, this is Ali with Real Mar in the Making, where I show you the behind the scenes on how to build a handmade business while you work a 8 to 5 job. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the top 3 books you should read when you start your handmade business. Okay, book number 1 that you should read to build a good handmade business, or any business at that, is the E-Myth Revised by Michael Gerber. This book will help you understand exactly how to organize your business where everything will make sense. Will walk you on what each person should do. And I understand you're probably thinking, well, Ali, I'm the only one in my business. I have to do everything. I understand that. That's me too. I'm the only one in this business and I have to do everything. However, it teaches you the importance of writing down the steps, writing down the procedures, and having everything laid out big enough, and you do have other people, then you can give them clear instructions on what to do. Plus, it just it frees you from what not to do, what doesn't work for a business. I highly recommend it. This is the very first book that pretty much any business owner should read before you start a business and before the business swallows you to a point that you hate doing your business. This book number 1. Okay, second book, and it has to do with money. Profit First by Michaelowicz. I don't know how to say his name, but as you can see, there's tons of tabs. This book, I wish I would have had this book a couple of years ago, but it's okay, no problem. I have it now. I wish I would have known about it. It tells you exactly how to divide the money that comes in to your business, like what to do with those sales, how much to put aside for supplies, how much to put aside for the monthly expenses, but how much to put aside for profit. So we gotta pay us first. If we don't pay us first, then we're working for the business and the business is not working for us. And that just doesn't work. It doesn't work. So profit first, finances, very important. Get your finances straight at the beginning of your business. Even if it's not the beginning of your business, even if you've done your business for 2, 3, 4 years, it does not matter. Get this book. It will save you so much headache. I promise you, it will save you so much headache. The third book that I recommend, I don't have the actual book because I got the book on audio, and is Story Brand by Donald Miller. This book, I struggle with copyright. I struggle with how to communicate the message that I want people to know about my business. I struggle with my copy, like what to say, how to say it. That is something that it just does not come easy to me. And that book, I have it on audio, but I'm about to go buy it to have it so that I can, write it. I can do what I do with all these books, that I highlight everything, I mark them, all of that good stuff. Because that book, if you're struggling with your brand, it doesn't talk about color, it doesn't talk about font, it doesn't talk about any of that. That's important and you have to have that. But this talks about the message that you want to send out to the world about your business and what works for, why they need to buy your product. How is your product going to solve a problem? This book breaks it down like a story with a character, a villain, a guide, the success, the problem, everything. It's there, and he walks you step by step. He has the you can go online once you buy the book. You can go online, and it has like a story brand template, and you can use that template for absolutely any and everything. When you're writing copy for a product, when you're writing an email, when you're writing a social media post, it does not matter. You can use that for anything. So story brand, super important. 3 things: branding, story brand, how to organize your business that it works for you and not the other way around, and money, right? We do this for the money. We love it, but eventually the love will not subside what needs to happen, and we need the income. So the top 3 books I recommend to anybody, whether you're starting a business or you already have a business for years. Read those 3 books. Okay, and don't forget to join our email list, where you can be part of us besties, where our coach Renea Christine teaches us exactly step by step how to build a handmade business. So the link is below at realmarkdesigns.com/product line formula, and leave any comments too. I want to hear from you. Okay, see you later, and you have a great day. Okay, bye-bye. How much to put aside for profit? So when you do big, when you are big and profit first.